Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, The Makeover Mom. This is Taylor, and today I have another Target haul for you guys. You guys know I just absolutely love Target, and especially the Target dollar spot. It never ceases to capture me. I can't go in there and not buy something from Target dollar spot, even though I try. So great marketing, Target. Guys, first I picked up these balloon sets. I thought these were amazing. I got the solid one. I also got the girl version of the patterns and the boy version of the patterns, I would assume. And I think these are amazing, especially if you're doing balloon garlands, because I'm such a lazy planner and like it's already set up for you. I got these for my son's science party. That's what it looks like. So I also picked up this desk calendar. I thought this would be really like Pinteresty looking on the desk, so we'll see if I can get some good video footage to show it to you. These desk essentials. I love getting washi tape from here because it's really good quality and it only costs $1. So if you guys want to stock up on washi tape, always go on the Target dollar spot. It's amazing. And I just got these so I can get them in a specific color. So I paid way too much for these paper clips, but they match my color scheme. These garlands. This one says Cocoa Bar. It's nice and glittery. And this one is like a black and white spotted one. There was a couple things that were overpriced in the January section. I feel like this should have been $1, but it was $3. I just got it because of the color again. And then I got this little strip, which is like a magnetic strip that you can just drill into the wall, and then you can put magnets, put notes and stuff on it. I also picked up these Valentine's props and this Valentine's garland. I thought the Valentine's stuff was a little bit cuter last year, not gonna lie. So you guys let me know what you thought. I thought the rustic stuff that they have is super cute, so I picked up this charger. I plan to use it for like shoots and stuff, but it's kind of pricey as well. It's $3, so you know, if you have a table of 4, not too bad, but if you have like a table that seats 12 or something, that's a little much for chargers, but they are really cute. So I also picked up these adhesive labels. You guys know I have a video that's fairly popular about do-it-yourself glass labels, and these are basically like that but already made for you, and these are only $1, so you know it's a win. Pick you guys up some of these. Pick up a couple packs, they're only $1. I also thought these were so adorable, guys. Look at these bins. They're rope baskets, they're called, and they're in like one of my favorite colors. And they hold a pretty decent amount. It's pretty small, but they hold a good amount of stuff. Like if you're putting small stuff in, very, very cute. I was really surprised to see that they have stuff like this. I noticed they're starting to carry a lot more bins and tins, but they are, if you guys didn't notice, did you guys check out that they're trying to move up the Target dollar spot to $7? Let me know if you guys caught that, okay? We're gonna have to write in or something, because the Target dollar spot is supposed to be about $1, and $5 is the most I want to pay for anything in that section. Okay, so we'll need Target to bring it on back down because they're getting a little crazy. All right, so lastly, you guys remember these, right? I thought these were like so adorable last year. I picked up like 20 of them. Well, they have a new kind this year, and they look like, oh, how cute is that, guys? Are you kidding me? Tried not to overdo it, but these are so adorable. Really cute. If you have like a little girl's room or something, or if you're doing a cupcake party, absolutely essential, and only $1. I got a lot. I picked up, I feel like I'm forgetting something. I always forget something in my haul. Thank you so much, guys, for watching my Target dollar spot haul. Hopefully you saw some things you might want to run out and get before it's too late, because you know they're about to swipe everything and put the Easter stuff in. So go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you guys like videos like these, hauls, DIYs, shopping reviews, party decor, and all that stuff. You guys know I'm a children's event planner, so I do a little bit of it all. Okay, I love you guys. Thank you so much. See you guys in the next video.